Alright, a quick video for you guys. You can see from the title what this is going to be about. I finally got this right. Let's check out the final results of my customized RK100. Let's get into it. Okay, some specs real quick. I still didn't go all out with this, but for what I actually did do, we got the correct Gateron Balck switches for this, and of course these are the ones that are compatible with SMD, that is the surface mounted LEDs. For those who have those kind of LEDs on the board like the RK100 does, then these are the correct switches for you. And I also did lube and film these switches. So the film part was not a part of the original plan, but I decided while I'm at it, why not? So I went ahead and got that done. For the keycaps, these are some keycaps straight from Amazon, not expensive, not unique or anything like that. They are Happy Ball PBT keycaps, and I really like them. They really fit the theme real well. My theme is definitely different from what it used to be. It was going to be a black theme, but I kind of went ahead and just went with blue and white. Really nice, really nice. And I kind of like it. Lastly, we have the Silicone Mat. So if you remember previously, I was actually doing foam. The foam was too thick. The plan really didn't work out well at all. The board might as well not have had much of any foam in there at all. I did keep some pieces in there, but it didn't really do anything. This time around, it is truly lined properly, and there's no hollow sounds or anything at all. The silicone mat really did work out well. Major shout out to RandomFrankP for that suggestion from his video. And you know what? Why not? I'll link that down below. It's an awesome YouTuber. Definitely doesn't need my help, but still, if you're looking for keyboard type of stuff, he's one of the people that I think you will enjoy. Now, before we get into any more sound tests, just want to remind you how this used to sound with the Gateron Reds lubed. And now this is what it sounds like. Overall, I'm quite happy with it. I definitely could have used some more work on my stabilizers, but honestly, I just didn't want to put any more work into this current keyboard. I'm kind of ready for something a little bit bigger. I kind of want to actually get a keyboard kit, do a DIY keyboard kit. So something that comes with just the case, and the PBT and the PCB. Really bare, and kind of just build it up from there. But before we go, I do want to give you guys a cost breakdown for everything. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and read this off my little list here. So the RK100 was about $100. You guys already know that from the review. Hope you did watch it. If not, check it out in the cards above. And of course, the Gateron Balck switches, I needed 2 packs of these because they came in a pack of 65. So I ordered 2 of them. That was $60 each. And then I went over to Prevail to get the films. These were the Thicc films, and yeah, they actually did add a bit of a nice little sound to the keycap switches. I hope you heard it there in the sound test. You know, besides the crazy stabilizers and my awful sounding spacebar, I hope you did at least like the sound of the switches themselves. And then of course the keycaps came from Amazon, as I said previously, and the silicone mat also came from Amazon, and all of that stuff will be linked down in the description box below. So everything all together came to around $222.99. So this is a pretty affordable mechanical keyboard. So if you know about the actual key community and how expensive mechanical keyboards can be, this is definitely on the low budget side of things. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little journey I went on to try to learn how to customize my keyboard and learn about stabilizers and switches and all this other kind of stuff. this is definitely not the end. There will be more keyboard videos coming on this video, because as far as I'm concerned, this is going to be kind of a new hobby thing for me. So I definitely will have more on there. I will not be having them frequently because they are expensive as hell, but I definitely will have more on here. But for now, this will do it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.